What's the meaning of changeable? Changeable. Changeable.
Changeable. Changeable. The term changeable refers to something that has the ability or tendency to change. It indicates a lack of stability or predictability, as the object or situation in question can shift or evolve over time. This quality can be either positive or negative, depending on the context, and can relate to physical, emotional, or social states. Overall, the term changeable suggests a dynamic and fluid nature, with the potential for transformation or adaptation.